Okay guys, so we're gonna be making bless you. We are making today a creamy lemon tart. We're starting with our crust. So, we're starting with 6 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna be melting this right now. Whatever butter you have. To me, I always say it doesn't matter if it's salted or unsalted, so regular old butter will do the trick. No margarine, no shortening, no shortcuts. I'm also gonna preheat our oven to 350 for the crust to cook. I'm gonna melt it in this ramekin. And we'll just melt it in the microwave. It's gonna go right into our mixing bowl. And I'm gonna set that aside. I'm gonna use it for our eggs. We need 1.5 cups of graham crackers for the crust. So you can use the off-brand, whatever brand you have or that you buy is fine. We're just gonna start to use our aggression to crush these up. Alright, so in our bowl we have our graham crackers, our melted butter. We'll have to add in some sugar to this mixture, which is 2 tablespoons. We're just going to mix this all together to combine. Okay, so we're rolling our lemons so we can get the juice. And that's just a quick tip. When you roll out your lemons, this actually helps ensure that you get all the juices out of it. I grabbed 5 just in case, but it says I should be able to get the 1/2 cup of lemon juice with about 3 to 4 lemons. I guess it just, depends on how juicy they are. My microplane, if you don't have one of these, a grater should do the trick. Or if you have one of those little hand zester tools, you can use that. This is the one for zesting. So, 2 teaspoons. And you just want to zest until you get to the white part, or the pith of the lemon. That's how you know you've gotten the zest. The zest is basically that really thin outer layer of skin on the lemon. There's 1. We have 2 exactly. So 2 lemons gave us 2 teaspoons. Wonderful. Oh my gosh, I did this wrong. No! I was only supposed to put the juice in. No. Well, I think it'll be okay. This was supposed to get mixed in with the eggs. Oy. Well, I'm just gonna mix it in here now. So I'm mixing in the zest with the condensed milk because I followed the recipe wrong, but I think it'll be okay. Just the juice and milk was supposed to be mixed in here. So we have our egg yolks in here. So yeah, altogether you needed 4, and we're just gonna whisk these all together. Alright, y'all, so here is our mixture of the condensed milk, lemon zest, and then I just added in our ½ cup of lemon juice. I'm actually just going to fold this all together because, like I said, I kind of messed up. Add the zest and the egg yolks together and mix that, but I added all the lemon stuff to the condensed milk. But you know, I think it'll still be okay. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you another update. I just took this out of the oven about 5-ish minutes ago, and it is so beautiful. You want it to be firm to the touch on top, and it is. It looks absolutely gorgeous. So the recipe says to let this set and cool for about 30 minutes, and then you're going to put it in the fridge to completely set up. It says up to 6 hours, but I personally don't think it's going to take 6 hours. I mean, hopefully not, because we are going to eat this for dessert today. So, and then I'll come back a little bit later to show you guys how we're going to go ahead and finish it off with a decoration of whipped cream. I think we're going to do whipped cream, or most likely going to use the egg whites from the egg yolks in the recipe to make a nice pretty meringue, and we're just going to pipe it on top of this tart. Alright, so all I did was I took the remaining, those egg whites, whipped them up to stiff peaks with a 1/4 cup of sugar, and I forgot I have these little set of frosting tips that I got at the grocery store a while ago. So I put that in a Ziploc bag, cut the corner, and now I'm piping on my little freehand design of meringue for my pie. So I was just making little shell designs, but because my peaks aren't super stiff, they are a little bit soft. It's you know, it's really soft and you can tell. So I think it's okay, because I think it still looks really, really pretty in my opinion. Look how pretty that is. Wow. Like, can we get a close-up on this? Food Network, please hire me. It's so pretty. Alright you guys, I just cut my slice here. So now we're gonna taste it. Honey, what do you think?
Pretty good.
Ooh. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is really good. Not too lemony, it's just right. And then the crunch from the homemade graham cracker crust is really great with this. And then you have this soft, fluffy meringue right on top. And this is pretty creamy. It's really good. I think I could go on Food Network. Don't you think so, babe?